My name is Keely Selvage with Keely Skin Solutions. I've been a clinical esthetician for over half a decade, and I'm going to talk to you about Herbal Acne Solutions. Now, the herbal route really does work, and I'll tell you why. You can take herbal remedies to do so many things and cleanse so many things in our body that actually can cause or trigger acne. For instance, you can do a liver detox or a liver cleanse. Now, the reason that's important to acne is because the liver purifies the blood, and it can also balance our hormones. And both of those things are triggers to acne. You can also use herbal probiotics. Probiotics is good bacteria. So that good bacteria is going to kill bad bacteria. It's also going to kill yeast and fungus. So that is also an excellent herbal remedy for acne. Now, to find out what you need, you can see a homeopathic doctor, and he'll be able to test you. He'll also be able to get a history from you to see what's going on the inside and take care of you with herbs. My name is Keely Selvage with Keely Skin Solutions, and that is all about herbal acne remedies.